Hello my dear students, here you can see the balance, right? And then now you can see the needle of the balance, and here I place the pan on the top, so it is called top pan balance, used to measure the mass. Now you can see the needle is not in the zero, so we have to reset it, otherwise our measurements will be wrong. Always check if it is at the zero or our measurement is wrong. Now I am going to measure the mass of the lemon. I place it on the balance. Then now we can see what you can do. You can count the number of divisions. You can, from the 11 you can start 11, then after that the small division 1 2 3 4. Exactly, it is at 4, the fourth division on the red line, right on the top, not at the bottom, anywhere you can. So you can see it closer. 1 2 3 4, exactly on the 4 divisions are there. Okay, that is the mass. You can take as 4 units mass of lemon, right? You can see on the top one, right? Now 4 units. Okay, now what I am going to do now, conservation of mass. We cannot create mass, we cannot destroy mass. It is conserved. Conserved means no change in the mass. Now I want to place it, the cut pieces of lemon. I want to check the mass. Still it is the same. Amazing. 4 divisions. You can see it has 4 divisions, right? Not only that, from this experiment another one important factor is I cut the pieces into pieces. Now you can see there is no change in its chemical changes are not taken place, because it does not change into the new form. Of course the size and shape is changed, but there is no change in the chemical form. There is no chemical changes taken place. That chemical change will be taken place if I heat the lemon. If you keep the lemon outside for 1 or 2 days, you can see the color, the skin color will turn into brown or black. That is called the chemical change, my dear students. Here there is not a chemical change, right? Just the shape is changed, right? The physical property. Now for the chemical change I can show you this example. Now you can see a rice. It is the rice, right? So I want to boil the rice. When I want to boil the rice, I have to add this rice into the water and then boil it well. So after some time it will react with water, boiling water, and it will be boiled and it will change its form like this. This is a cooked rice, okay, after cooking this one, and here it was the original form, initial form. This one after boiling. Now it has changed completely. The form is, now you cannot bring it back as a rice you cannot bring it back. That means the chemical change is taken place, so you cannot bring it back. So this is like that, students. Now if you is it possible to bring it back? So if any chemical changes are taken place, then it will become it will take a new form, another form, and its chemical properties are changed. This is the another example for the conservation of mass. I want to crush it. What if I crush any object? Will I able to change its mass? For example, let's assume it has a 20 gram. Now I crush it and then I just separate the pieces of this garlic, right? Then I am going to crush it. It will be 20 gram. After crushing, if you check its mass, if you miss any of its mass, like example this one is missed, then it will reduce. But if you bring it back and then check its mass, will be 20 grams, students. It will not change. The mass never change.